Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on Spec-Driven Development SDD presented by your mentor Vivek. We are continuing the refresher on CSS. So after this unit we will have another one and after that we will be completing the CSS and we will start with the JavaScript refresher. So let's get the ball rolling. Imagine you want WorkshopHub to switch between 5 themes: studio, garden, chalk, night, and paper. Without CSS variables, that means hunting down thousands of repeated color values and editing each one. Painful. With variables, you change one value and it updates everywhere. That's this lesson. And here's the kicker. With BEM plus CSS variables, you can largely drop preprocessors like SASS and LESS entirely. By SASS, I mean SASS, not SAS as in SAS. So let's move on to setup and what is a variable. New folder, CSS variables. Type HTML5 for HTML5 skeleton. Add an H1 that says use variables in CSS. Link the style sheet. Link rel style sheet href styles.css. Remember that rel is equal to style sheet attribute is required or the browser won't load the file. So what is a variable? Think of it as a memory box. A variable is kind of like a memory box for reusable data. Historically, you need preprocessors, SAS, LESS, to get variables. Now, CSS supports them natively. Store your repeated values, colors, fonts, measurements. Now let's define in root. Here's how you define one. The name always starts with a double hyphen, like main color, then a colon, then a value, as shown over here. But there's a rule. Variables must be declared inside the root. Pseudo class :root selects the document root, the whole HTML element, so your variables are available everywhere. 3 variables: main color for a color, font for the font family, font size for, well, the font size. All inside root. Use with var or vad. Now use them to pull a variable out, wrap it in the var function. Watch this. Both the h1 and the link use color var -main -color -main -color. They are sharing one variable. Change main color once and both update instantly. That's the whole magic. Same for fonts. Font family var font. On the body sets, the typeface everywhere. And measurements too. Font size, var font size. We had it at 45 pixels, bump it down to 35 pixels. And every element using the variable resizes. Just one change. Themes and outro. So back to WorkshopHub. 5 themes: studio, garden, chalk, night, paper. Each one is just a different set of variable values. Swap the root block and the whole site rethemes. That's CSS variables. Change once, update everywhere. And combined with BEM, you can drop SASS and LESS for more projects. See you in the next one.